Hello students, in previous session we have discussed first two physical properties, that is viscosity and viscosity index and surface tension. Now we will discuss here about remaining three physical properties of lubricants, that is flash point and fire point, cloud point and pour point, and oiliness. So let's start with flash point and fire point. So what is flash point? So the definition of flash point is the lowest temperature at which the oil lubricant gives off enough vapors that ignite for a moment when a small or tiny flame is brought near it is called as flash point. So what is flash point? Flash point is the lowest temperature, and at this temperature the lubricating oil produces or gives off enough vapors, and these vapors ignite for a moment. When these vapors will ignite? These vapors will ignite for a moment when a tiny flame is brought near to these vapors, and that temperature is called as flash point. Now what is fire point? The lowest temperature at which the vapors of the oil burn continuously for at least 5 seconds when a tiny flame is brought near it is called as fire point. So how we can define this fire point? It is the lowest temperature. At that temperature the vapors of the oil burn continuously at least for 5 seconds. When these vapors will burn continuously for at least 5 seconds? When a tiny flame is brought near to that vapors, and that temperature is called as fire point. So what is the main difference between flash point and fire point? In flash point the vapors are igniting for a moment, but in fire point the vapors are burning for at least 5 seconds. Then a good lubricant should have flash points and fire points at least above the temperature at which it is to be used. The determination of flash point and fire point is very important if the lubricant is to be used at very high temperature. So what is the characteristics of good lubricant? A good lubricant should have high flash point and fire point. And when this determination of this flash point and fire point is very important, so it is very important when we have to use lubricant at very high temperature. Now how this flash point and fire points are determined? So these flash points and fire points are determined by using Penske-Martin's apparatus. So it is the apparatus which is used for the determination of flash point and fire point. Then next important physical property of lubricating oil is cloud point and pour point. So what is cloud point and what is pour point? So we can define this cloud point: the temperature at which oil becomes cloudy or hazy in appearance due to separation of wax is called as cloud point. So what is cloud point? It is the temperature. At that temperature oil becomes cloudy or hazy in appearance. So what is the reason for the cloudiness or haziness of the oil? So this oil becomes cloudy or hazy in appearance due to the separation of wax, and the temperature at which that oil becomes cloudy or hazy in appearance, that temperature is called as cloud point. Then what is pour point? The temperature at which the oil ceases to flow or pour is called as pour point. So this pour point is the temperature at which the oil stops or ceases to flow or pour is called as pour point. Then the determination of cloud point and pour point is very important if the oil is to be used at lower temperature or in cold conditions. The cloud point and pour point can be determined by using pour point apparatus. So when the determination of cloud point and pour point is necessary or important when the oil is to be used in cold condition or at low temperature, then it is very important to determine the cloud point and pour point. Now how this cloud point and pour point is determined? So this cloud point and pour point, it is determined by pour point apparatus. Now what are the characteristics of good lubricant? A good lubricant should have low cloud and pour points, otherwise solidification of lubricant will cause jamming of the machine. So a good lubricant should have low cloud point and pour points. The next important physical property is oiliness. So what is oiliness? So oiliness is the ability of oil to stick on the surfaces of the machine parts under the conditions of heavy pressure or load. So oiliness is the important property of oil by virtue of which oil sticks to the metallic surfaces. It is directly related to the specific gravity of oil. Lower is the specific gravity, higher is the oiliness. So this oiliness property is directly related to the specific gravity. If the specific gravity is low, then it has higher oiliness property. So for measuring oiliness, there is no any direct test is used or available. The oiliness of mineral oil can be improved by adding vegetable and animal oils. A good lubricant should have good oiliness. So what is the characteristics property of good lubricant? So good lubricant should have good oiliness property. So here we have discussed about flash point and fire point, then cloud point and pour point, and oiliness, or you can say these are important physical properties of lubricants. Thanks.